Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Samsung Microwave SE error fix. So guys, this error means keypad short error. It usually happens when the touchpad or control board is stuck, dirty, or failing. So first, do a power reset by unplugging the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes and then plug it back in and check if the error clears. Another one is gently press each button on the panel, and if any feel stuck, just simply wipe the surface with a dry cloth. Another one is clean the control panel. So guys, grease, dirt, or moisture can cause false signals. So just simply wipe with a soft, dry cloth but never use excess water. Now guys, if the error returns and still occur, the control board or keypad membrane may need a replacement. So you just simply go ahead and contact the Samsung customer support for it to be fixed. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.